Take a look at this.
Good evening, Miss Anna. Would you like a drink?
Well, look who they allowed into the party.
Do you actually think wearing that uniform makes you belong here? I'm only doing my job, Miss Anna.
What if I told you I created this using Charara Lab, an AI-powered character creation platform that helps users generate original character designs from prompts or reference images? It supports multiple styles, including anime, chibi, cartoon, 3D, and more, allowing creators to explore different concepts for games, storytelling, avatars, and digital content. And some of its tools are free to try. That's why I'm really excited to share this with you. Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. One of my subscribers, Imagination Tales, asked me how to create 3D animated anthropomorphic animal characters, animals with human-like hairstyles and body shapes, but still keeping their recognizable animal faces. They were referring to this kind of content. After exploring several AI generation tools available online, I came across a platform called Charara Lab. It's an all-in-one AI creation platform focused on character generation, with tools that can help bring your creative ideas and characters to life. Think of Charara Lab as an AI creative playground where you can turn your ideas into visual content. Instead of opening several different websites to create a character, generate an image, transform that image, and then animate it. It brings many of those tools together in one platform. You can create AI characters in different visual styles, generate artwork from text prompts, transform existing images, and even turn your images into videos. So today, I'm going to show you how I create the kind of characters requested by one of our subscribers. First, go to Charara Lab using the direct link I provided in the video description below. Then, sign in with your email account, and you'll receive free credits to help you get started. To start creating your character, click Create AI Character Image. This will take you to the AI character generator. From there, the first step is to choose the image generation model you want to use. There are several options available, but for this example, I'll be using Seedream 4.5. Next, enter your prompt. Simply describe the character you want to create. You also have the option to upload a reference image if you want, but in this case, I won't use one because I want to see the result generated mainly by CharaLab itself. After that, choose the image style you want. There are many styles available, including Disney, Pokemon, pixel art, action figure, 3D, cartoon, Ghibli, and many more. For my character, I'll be using the furry art style. Then I set the resolution to 2K for a higher quality result. Then, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape format, and finally, I'll click Generate. And after just a few seconds, our image is ready. And as you can see, the character looks really good. The details are clean, the style is consistent, and it closely matches the type of anthropomorphic character we wanted to create. Now, let's create a female partner for this character. I simply enter the prompt for the new character and keep all the same settings since they were already set up earlier. Then, I just click Generate. And in just a few seconds, the image is ready, and it looks great. This time, I'm going to create the female villain character. I simply paste in the prompt and click Generate. And now, our villain character is ready, and it looks stunning, right? And make sure to download all 3 characters because we'll use them later. Next, I'm going to try creating a video using these 3 characters, similar to the sample video I showed you earlier. To create the video, you can use either image to video or reference to video, depending on how you want to animate and maintain the look of your characters. And now, inside the video generator, we need to configure the settings for our video. For the AI model, I'll be using Seedance 2.0. Next, I upload the images of all 3 characters we created earlier. Then, I paste my prepared video generation prompt. When writing your prompt, make sure to clearly describe the actions of each character, the scene and environment, camera movements, and the character's dialogue. The more detailed your prompt is, the easier it is for the AI to understand the scene you want to create. Next, I switch audio on so the generated video can include background sounds and character dialogue. For this example, I'll set the duration to 8 seconds. Then, choose your preferred resolution and aspect ratio. Once everything is properly configured, simply click Generate and wait for the video to be generated. And once the video is ready, let's preview it and see how it turned out.
Good evening, Miss Anna. Would you like a drink?
Well, look who they allowed into the party. A drink? From
Wow, I honestly didn't expect the video to turn out this good. The characters, movements, and overall scene look surprisingly impressive. Now, let's try creating AI characters in different styles and themes. One of the great things about CharaLab is that you're not limited to just one type of character. There are many different styles you can experiment with. So, let's head over to AI Character Generator and try out a few different image styles. So next, I'm going to test a few different styles and see how it transforms the same idea into completely different looking characters. For our first character, I used the Nano Banana Pro model and chose a cyberpunk-inspired style to create a steampunk time traveler. And the result was amazing. The character looks highly detailed, creative, and exactly like the kind of extraordinary design I wanted to achieve. Next, I'll try creating a Chibi character using Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. For this example, I want the character to be inspired by a strawberry with a cute and colorful design. And the result is this adorable strawberry-inspired Chibi character. It looks cute, colorful, and exactly fits the sweet fantasy style I was aiming for. Next, I tried creating a little mermaid using Seedream 4.0 in a cartoon style. And here is the result, a cute little mermaid with a charming and playful look. Then, I tried creating a Disney-style character using Seedream 4.0, and I really loved the result. The characters look perfect for a fairy tale story, and even the background has that beautiful, magical storybook feel. I also tried creating a little monster inspired by a pufferfish and an octopus just to see how it would turn out, and honestly, I didn't expect it to look this good. It came out as a cute little monster with beautiful colors, and I think this character would be perfect for a kid's nursery rhyme or educational channel. After exploring different character styles and testing the video generation features, I found CharaLab to be a great platform for creating videos and other types of digital content. If you're a YouTube creator looking for AI-generated visuals, a writer or story creator who wants to turn scripts into visual scenes, a game designer who needs quick character or environment concepts, or a social media creator searching for eye-catching content, CharaLab is definitely worth checking out. What makes this platform interesting is that it brings so many creative AI tools into one place. And CharaLab is not just an AI image generator, video generator, or character generator. It also includes other useful tools such as the AI character sheet generator, as well as tools like video watermark remover, photo extender, AI lip sync, and many more. So instead of jumping from one AI website to another, you can do a lot of your creative work right here in a single platform. Whether you're creating characters, stories, videos, game concepts, or social media content, CharaLab gives you plenty of tools to experiment with and bring your ideas to life. So head over to CharaLab, claim your free daily credits, and start creating your next project today. You can find the direct link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.